Welcome to Borg Desk ERP training session. So today's training session is very important for us. Today we are talking about how to automate WhatsApp communication with Borg Desk ERP. So basically there are several modules as you all people know. So we need to understand how we can integrate WhatsApp automation with Sales CRM. So in today's session, that's why very much important because today's concern is how to generate leads. Number two, how to follow up and how to ensure a timely follow-up by us, our sales team. And the last one is how to enhance conversion. So conversion is very subjective, and I believe we all must facing this kind of challenges. So that's what when this challenge come into the picture. So that's why the Borg Desk ERP or Borg Desk CRM comes into the picture. So today I'm going to show how you can facilitate your team member, your company, your business to the effective WhatsApp automation and other communication. In fact, we also can integrate the email in the same way as WhatsApp is working with Borg Desk ERP. So let me share a screen quickly and jump into the productive talk today. What is our agenda? So let me share my screen. So allow me just 1 second. Yeah, so my screen is shared. So please confirm my screen is visible to all. Great. So please confirm me so that I can come to know. And if you have any questions, please keep writing in the chat box so that I can acknowledge, respond, and answer your questions and your concern related to Borg ERP or any other conversion related or lead generation issues. So I can also address end of the session, which is Q and A part of our today's session. Thank you so much. So let's move ahead. So this is a website. So open Borg Desk ERP or borgerp.com. So click to login. And after login, just put your username and password. If you have not created yet any account, so please go to try and buy and create account, and you can play with the power of Borg Desk ERP. Great. So I'm using my demo account, KP demo, and my password. And just I clicked on sign in button, and I get into dashboard. Now, this I'm just going on the right top, and there's a module listing. So there are 10 modules ERP. So right now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the workshop, today I'm just covering sales CRM with WhatsApp and email automation. So I am just going into sales CRM module. So I have clicked on that, and then now I have landed to sales CRM dashboard. Now how we can do it. So basically we all know. So this is a basic of Borg Sales CRM. So basically just let me just quickly cover the side navigation bar of Borg Desk ERP uh, and Sales CRM module basically. So we can do it here, the lead capturing, that is lead opportunity. And here whatever leads are being captured, so basically it's visible in manage all leads. So basically this tab contains all leads, whether it's qualified or unqualified. So whatever leads are not qualified, you can also find in manage all leads of Borg Sales CRM. Now, the first question is how to capture leads. So basically, to brief you all people, Borg Desk CRM is basically capable of capturing leads from all sources which is being practiced in your business. So no matter whether this is available in the Borg Desk ERP or not. For example, you are getting or you are capturing leads from any such source which is not available in the Borg ERP. So please reach out to the Borg Desk ERP team, and Borg Desk ERP team is more than happy to help you to capture leads from your defined source also. Basically, just let me tell you, Borg Desk ERP is capable to handle at least 10 to 15 sources already integrated with this. And just to name few of them is IVR solution, WhatsApp, your website, your landing page, Google ad, Facebook ad, India Mart, Trend India, or Just Style if you are entitled to get from there because they have their own different packages, and 99 acres, and many more. So basically, Borg Desk ERP is able to capture all leads, and not only this, Borg Desk ERP is also providing you or facilitating you to enter leads or updates through manual process also. For example, you are getting leads from somewhere other sources, for example, for reference or any other source, which is, for example, you are a part of any networking event, or you can capture direct leads from your networking events to this Borg Desk ERP also. And the same similarly, many communication starts happening from there, which is called nurturing, and basically that will also add huge value in the conversion also. So just to share with you all people, Borg Desk customers have enhance their conversion up to 10 times. So that depends how maximum you are using your Borgdesk ERP module to leverage the capability of Borgdesk and adding huge value in the your business or in the conversion of your leads. Now, just moving ahead, just let me tell you this add new lead. So this is a form basically. So let me tell you this form can be completely customized. So Borgdesk ERP is basically keep helping its customers to manage this form. So this form is 100% capable, or I mean that can be managed or customized as per the company requirement. So I'm not going to detail for the customization. You can refer the another video which is available in the KB of Borg Desk ERP. So basically, how you can access KB. So just to add and inform you people. So there is a basically option in the top. You can manage, you can access, and which is you can see the question mark. Now once I'm just putting a cursor on this, so it becomes green, so it may be visible you all. So once I'm here clicking on this, so it will take me to the KB, I mean knowledge base of Borg ERP. So this knowledge base has an entire question. So there's many ways to use this KB. So I'll give a different training how to maximum use and utilize knowledge base of Borg ERP in your business to set up, to follow up, and all. So that will be the differentiation. So coming back to our main agenda of today's training. So this form can be completely customized. So there are many customization options are available. So basically, I'll be giving you another video which can explain the complete customization, right? So as of now, our agenda of today's meeting is WhatsApp automation. So I'll come into this. So, if the lead is being reported manually or coming from reference, so you can capture, you can enter data here. So these fields basically, this form has two segment. One is basic information. Second one is additional one. So basic information cannot be removed or add any new field in this section. But the same time, you can play with the modifying settings, like you can keep it mandatory, or you can keep it optional, or you can keep it editable of the submitting form, or you can keep it uneditable. So these kind of settings are available for the basic information section. Now the second one is additional information. So additional information allows you to modify any fields. You can remove, you can add 15 to 16 many fields also here. Apart from that, you can also remove if you want existing one. For example, I don't want this category and product service, I can remove it. If I don't want deal size, I can remove it. If I don't want source address, I can remove it. So this option is available with the Borg. I hope it's clear to all. If you have any questions, please keep writing in the chat box so that I'll be addressing end of the session. Correct? Now once lead is there, so there are so many follow-up options are there. So just let me tell you in a brief. So manage all leads has a complete contact database, whatever is captured as I explained. And another one is qualified leads. Qualified leads qualification is a different one, so you can go through the video. So how you can set the leads qualification, and leads can be considered as a qualified lead in the Borg Desk ERP. Lead distribution option allows you to assign leads manually from one person to another salesperson. And apart from that, Borg Desk also has an automating process to get assigned any new leads based on your defined formula and settings in the Borg Desk ERP. So that leads also can be assigned automatically to the salesperson. Pending follow-up, today's follow-ups is there, and the missed follow-up. So today's follow-up means all follow-ups which are lined to follow-up today. For example, if I'm clicking on that, so this is a demo account. So today's follow-up may be there or not. So let it also, for example, in this demo account, there is no follow-up schedule for today, or that has been updated so far, right? So next missed follow-up is the follow-ups which were scheduled for the follow-up, but ultimately sales team has missed to follow. So for example, in this case, there are 80 details which has been missed by the team. So basically, this is the biggest leakage in the sales system of any company. If leads are not being followed up in time, so the being a business owner and being a team leader manager, what is the impact, adverse impact, I would say, in the sales process of a company. So if any company is missing 80 details for the follow-up, and which is basically contributed to deal size of 1,66,980, so this is a big loss of any company. So that has to be taken care of. So Borg Desk ERP enables manager, even though salesperson, a team leader, or company, to this company's decision maker to cap to track how many leads are being missed by our sales team. You can also apply a filter. Many filters are there. So there is a search option, so I click on that, so filter gets enabled, so I can find out which salesperson, which leads belongs to which salesperson. So here assign to option is there. So assign to means these leads are lying with that. So for example, if I want to see the Bhumi Panda has missed some leads, and how many leads are there, and which are those leads, so I can go and put it on search. If any leads has been missed by Bhumi Pandas, it will show. So Bhumi Panda has not missed any leads so far. So let me find out another one, Arvind demo. So maybe Arvind has missed some leads to follow up. So that will be shown the system. He has also not missed. Let me find out another one. So here the biz demo Borg Tech 3, let me find out. So if Borg Desk 3 has missed some leads, so it will be showing you here. Otherwise it won't. So let me find out some another one. Let me find out here leads assigned to the person, so that I can show you how this filtering works. For example, Devanshu has missed. So let me find out Devanshu. So I can filter here also Devanshu Agrawal. So you can see here, this is a demo account. So maybe some accounts, maybe testing was done. So here in this account, company account, you can say. So Devanshu has missed two leads to follow up, and the next follow up was scheduled for 14th July, and second one is 11th July. Means he has not followed up properly in time. That has to be taken care of. Now, this is the biggest thing actually. Most of the business or in the MSMEs, they are not aware. They're not basically able to track how many leads are being missed by whom. And not only that, the decision maker gets and reports by end of the day which salesperson has missed how many leads. And apart, salesperson also received one message, you have missed these the 7 leads, 8 leads, or 25 leads, 100 leads today. So that also we keep sending reminder, so that the some realization or psychological pressure gets created with the salesperson, and a salesperson try their best not to repeat again. So this is a power of missed follow-ups basically. And what is a planned follow-up? Planned follow-up means how many leads are being followed up today, I'm yesterday, tomorrow onwards. So there is no records available so far. So it means that no follow-up schedule for this month. Basically, by default, it shows for this month. So if data of follow-up, any leads for follow-up had been scheduled for this month till 31st of July. So it would have been shown here. Otherwise, if I want to see for the next month, so I can filter, apply filter here. So that's a beauty of Borg Desk ERP. And this feature basically is very appreciated by a person, so that the leakage of the leads are not follow up done. All are being tracked and caught. You can catch your team immediately, anytime, whenever you are checking this. And my dear friends, being a business owners or manager, you can spend only 2 hours to check it and track, and you will be having the complete details. I'll be showing you the reports also today. I'm not going to detail the quotation because this is a very very subjective and descriptive based on the business information. Tag performance, it basically allows to set the target of each and every team member or in your sales team. And apart from that, how many business has been generated, that also can be calculated in real time if you are using invoicing system or accounts module of Borg Sales CRM. Borg Desk ERP. So this is a thing. This is a target. For example, demo. This target has been set, and let me check. And this by default it shows the for the current month and current year. So if I want to show the performance of this person demo, so you can see how it can be calculated. So demo performance is 0 so far. So this is very alerting things of any company, if it is an actual company, that the person has not reported any leads, has not converted any leads, and not generated any business. So achieve target, it shows the business also. So this is basically the real time things, and the Borg ERP shows the correct real time data, uh, what is being happened in real time also. So, in case of product company, the sales team also can place order, on track order of their own customer, own converted customer from here. So they can also place order on behalf of their distributor, on behalf of their customers, if their customer is not able to place. And if because Borg ERP also provides a dashboard to the customer to or and distributor to place order from the system itself, they can log in and they can create and they can generate the order, they can place the order for the products. But at the same time, if for example they are not able to do, so salesperson can help them out, okay, as a feeling, to provide the feeling that we care for you. If you're not able to do, so we can do for you. So basically, this is a system Borg Desk ERP place. So for example, if I'm just clicking on a new order generation, so new order generation can be done like this, very easy here. So there are some details. Then after, if you are generating new orders. So then after the second step, it will ask to place to select the products for which you are going to place order to the company. Apart from that, next follow-up log, all follow-up logs. So this also allows, if you want to see the follow-up log, so you can see for a day and you can select any day for log system. So if I click on this, so it will show some logs, which person has logged in, what has been done. So like that, that can be tracked. And if generally if you want to track or some mistake being done by any user of the company, so that also can be tracked in case of for that also can be used for the troubleshooting purpose. Now just I'm just coming to my main. This is a brief about the sales CRM. Now I'm just coming into the my core agenda, which was for today's meeting. So I took 20 minutes to explain. Now the rest of the time I'll be explaining how you can automate. So basically, uh, let me see how to integrate WhatsApp. So go to the third party setting. If you want to use this system, so there are two kind of settings are required. One is if you are setting up and doing the integration from the third party integration, right? Go to the this gear button and just one this drop down will be there, and there is a first icon which is third party setting, and thereafter you can click on third party and you can integrate. I'll show you in a while. And another thing is that if you want to use the push alert, which is the bulk sending option, so you can also integrate WhatsApp and email in the push alert section, push alert module. I'll show you how push alert allow module works, right? Now, if you want to use this third party option, so go to the third party and you can integrate from here. It's very simple. So a lot of integrations are available here, but today I'm talking about the WhatsApp integration. So this is a WhatsApp outgoing integration and this is a WhatsApp incoming integration. So in fact, you can also integrate different providers for the outgoing and for incoming, number one. Number two, if you want to use same, so you can also use the same accounts for WhatsApp outgoing integration and the same for the WhatsApp incoming integration. Now, if you want to send a but so this third party accounts being used for the auto notification happening throughout the ERP. But at the same time, if you want to send bulk for the nurturing purpose, for lead nurturing or customer nurturing, so you can use basically uh, a push alert module for that, right? So here, if you are clicking one here, so you can integrate. For example, I'm just showing you the going WhatsApp to integrate. So WhatsApp Lite, and this is an option. Actually, you can provide a key. So there are few providers are available already: Interact, Root Mobile, and Leadify. WhatsApp Lite. If you want to use anyone, so you have to contact to Borg Desk ERP team, and they will try to help you out in this case. Apart from that, you can go to the incoming, and you can same way you can integrate the WhatsApp with the sales CRM module. Here interact route while or Leadify WhatsApp Lite, so you can use the same thing for integration of incoming WhatsApp solution. So that can be an integrated Meta Business WhatsApp API and other which is used. We call it WhatsApp Lite. So WhatsApp Lite for the sending auto notification only. So that cannot be used for the bulk sending due to the some a lot of limitations from the WhatsApp Meta company. Okay, so let me show you how it works basically. So number one here, I'll go to the here third party setting, or you can say just let me go to the sales CRM. So sales CRM option is there, and now uh, I'll go here there is a tool icon, right? So you can click here. So you need to set some templates first so that you can easily use those templates in your day-to-day uses. Otherwise, it will not be user friendly for not using template. So you can basically empower your team to enable these things. So there are so many uh, here module settings option, but at the same time I will explain you. The first thing is that if you're using new account, so you need to enable WhatsApp settings from here. So I'll go to the lead module setting, and thereafter there is a on top uh, one option is there, WhatsApp alert setting. So you can basically activate or deactivate. So if it is activated, so rest of the things will work. Otherwise, it won't work, right? So this is basically setting. So they one thing we have integrated, and second thing is that we have enabled from here, and third thing you need to take care of uh, templates. So you can see the outgoing WhatsApp message template. So let me explore. So I'm just clicking on read more, and thereafter you can see that a lot of trigger points are configured from here, which is required and by being extensively used by our customer. Here WhatsApp template type. So you can say this is for getting alerts. So once lead is entered and it is activated, so of course once lead is captured by the ERP by any source, whether India Mart, whether it's WhatsApp, IVR, your website, your Facebook ad, whatever the means, if it is there and you have enabled it, so of course actually this system will send a message by automatically immediately with the name. Hi, and this is contact person name. Hi, KP Singh. Thank you for showing interest in our services. Our team at Borg Desk ERP has received your new query, and one of the representative will get in touch with you shortly. So this is a basically customized message. So you can customize this message based on your nature of business or your business requirement. Now the lead converted. So once the lead is converted, so this will again automatically will be sent to the prospect, or when that prospect is getting converted from basically converted from prospect to customer. So we are excited to welcome on board. Thank you for choosing us. So whatever message, attractive message, you can basically put, you can configure it. Second, will lead follow-up alerts. So here is your list of today's follow-up. So this alert being sent automatically in the morning to each and every salesperson, right? That these are leads to be scheduled for the follow-up today. So this basically alerts salesperson and make it convenient to start a follow for them. So this alerts works like this. So target reminders. So this is another kind of reminders. So basically, if your sales team, this message being sent daily to the sales team, and this shows what's your actual performance of the day. So this is a sales performance report. How many leads target you was set for you, or what is the actual leads reported. So whatever target we have set for the sales team, what I showed you previously in the previous section, so it will send the daily status to the sales team, so that that person not need to be reminded by the manager. This much target you have still left to achieve. So this system automatically reminds to the salesperson this much target is achieved, and this much is to be yet to be done, and accordingly the salesperson start taking action. So this kind of psychological activation for the salesperson to start working extensively to achieve the target. Last missed leads reminder. So this also reminds the salesperson, manager, and the entire company owner, right, to basically whatever I showed in the missed call, missed leads, right? So how many leads are missed? For example, in our case, it was 80. 80 leads were missed, if you remember. So this system will send automatically reminder to the admin that today's missed leads are 80. So you will be also notifying how many leads are being missed by the person, right? And similarly, the managers also will be reminded how many leads under his account, means by himself or herself, and with his or her team. And after that, it also will be sending to the salesperson how many leads they have missed for the follow. So this is a basically alerts which acts very very powerful to the salesperson psychologically, and push them to take action to enhance the follow up. So this is basically, this is a one point, this is a one factor which helps us to enhance the conversion 2x 3x 5x 10x for our customers. So this is a one of the factors, right? So these are basically few outgoing templates. Now if I want to chat, because there is option one chat, so let me just cover this one, then I'll take you how you can use those templates. So chat reply, so we also can empower our sales team to chat with the customer with the existing templates, right? So for example, reactivation message 3, if you want to send, so you can send this message and the sales team can select this template, and automatically this content will be delivered to the prospect. Similarly, lead final testing, this template also will be automatically delivered. This template also will be delivered. I'll be showing you how you can uh, apply in your company. So this is basically biggest things. So now I'm just trying to show you how you can use. So for example, I'm just following up. So let me go here, missed follow up. If I want to follow up any of the leads, so I can basically go to any of the tab. I can also go to the manage all lead or somewhere else, so wherever lead listing are there, everywhere it is available, correct? So now uh, I'll click on here, right, in the WhatsApp icon. So you can see this is powerful basically. See here there are templates. If I'm selecting any of them, for example, deactivation message, I want to send them automatically. So the salesperson don't need to buy. Here you can see the content entire has come here, and if I'm just clicking on send, so it will be sent to the prospect automatically. And apart from that, whatever I have explained in the incoming WhatsApp uh, integration, if you have integrated incoming WhatsApp integration also, that can be a same account, right? So if that prospect is reminding, so that also will be shown here. So this is a basically sales chat box. What it is, sales chat bot. So you can chat with the prospect in real time live, right? So if you are chatting, so the prospect is sending something, you will be getting here. If you are sending a prospect will be getting. So this is a real time chat. So this is another basically factor or feature which adds huge value to enhance the conversion, right? So this is a second powerful factor in the Borg Desk ERP to enhance the conversion, correct? So basically, there are two things I've shown you. Another thing is that how to enhance the follow. Here you can go and you can also type here, you can track what the status of the customer, and you can see the entire history, follow-up history of a prospect. So if you are changing follow-up date, because again this system also send a WhatsApp follow-up WhatsApp reminder. And by the way, whatever we have discussed for the WhatsApp, so that also applicable for the mail. So that is same function, same way it works for the mail also. So due to paucity of time, I won't cover today, but later definitely will be covering one day email also. Apart from that, if you want to, for example, setting this one, follow update for 24th, so you are setting, so this also will be, cap adding being added as a log here in the system also, like this. You have, for example, I have set the follow update, it is there. It is so that's what I'm saying. This is a complete history of the prospect, follow-up history for the project prospect. So whatever your sales team has taken action, so it is there. So lead type, the temperature of leads also can be selected: cold, warm, hot, and very hot. And this is very, very important. And after that, the lead score also set can be set here, and you can mention here, for example, this prospect is interested and will follow tomorrow. I want to write here. So for example, we have set the next follow-up day is 24th, right? So why I have set the next date for next follow-up date, I need to mention here. So there are two ways. Either you can type here. So we realized, and based on the feedback, sales team avoid that much typing, so we have make them very, very easy to mention whatever discussion they want to mention here, because that is a very, very require very, 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 very important requirement for the conversion. So we have enable here mic. So for example, if I'm clicking on mic, so it and I will speak, so it will be converted here in the text, and that can be, then that can be submitted, and it will be part of this follow-up log. Let me show you. So for example, today, this I'm going to mention here, this lead is very good lead, and we have set to follow up on 24th, because we want to show them demo, and they are very much interested to go ahead with the Borg, because already they have used my system, but they have not satisfied with that, and now they are happy with the Borg, and they want to use. You can see whatever I have mentioned here, it will be written automatically. So this is amazing. This is a miracle actually. And if I'm clicking on submit, it will be added in the follow-up log history, and that will help basically very efficiently to the entire sales team, for me as well, my manager and the company also, to track and mention why this next date, next follow-up date has been mentioned, and what was the current status. So basically, in this way, no lead can be left without having any logic or any follow-up history. So in or this thing actually enhance the conversion also. So this is a thing actually we have been doing for long back, right? So this is another factor which I showed you briefly, which is adding huge value in the conversion of leads, because conversion generation of leads are one task, right? But the conversion of leads is a big task. So it's always been fighting situation between lead generation and the conversion, and in between the sales team keeps enjoying if you're not using any such great system actually in your process, right? So this is basically the WhatsApp integration. And now I want to mention quickly in 5 to 10 minutes how push alert works, right? Apart from that, you can also do one thing. Mm, how you can basically create a funnel in the Borg Desk, how it is useful. So let me show you something here. So you can generate a funnel even when you exchange a card. So number one, I told you, if you are attending any events, or you are exhibiting any events, so you can also collect leads directly from the event to the uh, sales CRM. Apart from that, you also can add any WhatsApp, any number, any lead, if you are getting from the reference, or even though you are exchanging cards, or you are having some kind of discussion, or uh, for example, we are meeting in an event, so we meet with many people, but complete efforts gets wastage of time, because we collect card or we save number but in the mobile, but uh, 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 it's very much difficult to engage all professional contact of mobile into action. So Bogdesk ERP basically helps how you can activate your mobile contact, right, in your business, for your business, and they will start for your business. So what I have, how I have created my own funnel, and I also keep educating my team, my customer. So basically, whatever, if I'm having any kind of connect, whether I have had a chat in the WhatsApp, or I have exchanged mail, and I mean they are a business contact, and they feel I want to go ahead with them further. So how can I bring them in the business? For example, so when I add contact in the business, in the ERP, so I'll mark them. So funnel business contact, correct? So all contact. So for example, I may have a 5,000 business contact, right? So business contact means only I have a contact, but I have not initiated, even I haven't done meeting with them also, right? So these are the business contacts. So you can do as per your system, but I, whatever I have done, so I'm just trying to use, you can apply this one, and this is helping me very very greatly, and I'm able to activate my business, all my business contacts actually, for my business, and a lot of meetings are scheduled and we are working. Second one is all I always try to convert, right, and to move ahead with these contacts to one-to-one meeting. So another stage, one-to-one meeting, correct? One-to-one meeting. So this is a one-to-one meeting. So this is a one stage, number two, one-to-one meeting. So this is a funnel gets created. You can keep understanding, right? If you have any question, please keep mentioning the chat box. I'll try to help in your Q&A, right, or after this session. So number three, after that, if I'm having a one-to-one meeting, so either I'll keep my that contact in the one-to-one meeting, or I'll always try and prepare a complete, understanding or analysis, right? How can I contact, convert, and move ahead from business contact to one-to-one meeting, and from one-to-one meeting, new lead. So if my one-to-one meeting it's very very fruitful, so I'll always try to make that one-to-one meeting into the lead, right? So I mean, what does it mean? It means I'll try to engage that person in my business somehow, which can be generated some kind of money, or in other way, value, can add huge value to my company and product, right? And third one is that depends on your system, but for me, like I'm just dealing with the Borg Desk ERP, so that can be done pre-demo follow-up. So this is a pre-demo follow-up, correct? So all new leads, I always try to uh, push them to the pre-demo follow-up. Once for the demo, so my next action is to schedule a demo with them. That's why I'm doing pre-demo follow-up. Second one is post-demo. Once demo is done, post-demo follow-up, correct? So this is my funnel I have created, right? Third one, next one is pre-sign up. Once demos have pre-sign up, so I'll try to get them sign up, and thereafter once sign up is done, then conversion, converted. So this is a basically my funnel. So funnel you might have seen in this way, right? Yeah, this way. So this is a funnel basically. So you have done something kind of that. correct? So this is a basically things we can create. So whatever business contact earlier, what was happening with me, I I have lot of contact 5,000 7,000 in my mobile or somewhere else, but I was not getting, I was not trying to engage them in my business, right? So now once I have developed this thing, how to activate, how to nurture, and how to uh, plug them into the Borg Desk ERP. So it uh, completely changed my life. So business contact. So all business contact means any business kind of uh, meeting has not been done, but that is a business contact. I have shared a card, or I have had a chat, or some kind of uh, uh, I mean, first level interaction has happened. So that will my business contact. Then I always try to nurture them to the meeting, one-to-one meeting, then new lead, then follow up, post down, then pre-sign up, and then I'll try to convert. Correct. So that maybe they can buy my product, they can be partner, we can collaborate. So conversion means any kind of things can happen, which is ultimately will produce a huge money for my company. So this is a basically lead funnel. Borg help has helped many entrepreneurs to do this thing, to achieve this thing, right? So similarly now, how it is being helped. So this is the management of contact. So now, as I told you, if whenever I'm using business contact, so what happens? So I'll keep writing here in the here in the follow-up logs in the second action item. So once I have so I keep mentioning here that I have met this person, right, to the event. So I can write down. So that also can, by the way, let me mention you, you can also operate this all from your mobile, whether you are using iPhone or Android phone. You app is supported by both. So you can do this thing from the phone also. So once I have met, so I add the contact. And if another thing is that if I don't want to add manually, so I can get scanned my WhatsApp, and I can ask them to send hi. Automatically the system will capture that as a lead business contact, and after that you can write it down. Hi, I have met that person and he's very much interested. We have a talk around 30 minutes during that event, and thereafter we are scheduled for the meeting, and definitely we need to follow up to schedule the meeting with him. And this can be a huge addition for the business, you can say. If this is there, I somebody this, it takes few seconds, right, to that. But in this, by spending a few seconds, you can convert the big customer, right? So you can activate your all your contact, basically mobile contact or any business contact, actually into the lead, right? So in this way it is helping. And apart from that, if I want to send a message, so I can send from here. So I already have a template designed in my WhatsApp account. So I can select a template, right? Testing, for example, for the business contact new meeting, and I can send it. It takes few seconds, but a lot of communication happens. So I keep communicating from the system only. So it is adding huge value, basically. Correct. So this is a one way to use a WhatsApp. Another way, let me show you the push alert. So I have 5 minutes for this thing. So let me cover as soon as possible how you can nurture the lead. So basically, you can see the WhatsApp automation, email automation, SMS automation. So all three works in the same way. Let me show you here. So lead nurturing. So how you can nurture the leads by using this Borg Desk ERP. So let me define the templates. So I told you we have to define first template. So once I have clicked on a push alert, so I'll go to the tool icon. I mean the settings of that particular module, and I can create a unlimited templates, email templates and WhatsApp templates. So I can create a unlimited WhatsApp templates in this account. So unlimited means unlimited. There's no limit in the Borg ERP for contact, for the follow-up, actually to understand the requirement of the organization. Basically, we have not capped any limit of these are a templates. Lead set callback, lead confirm. So basically these are templates which is being used right later to uh, activate automatic communication with the prospect and the customer, right? So I can use a number of templates, right? So let me show you. And similarly for the emails. So by the way, as I mentioned, actually you can use and you have to use basically another number, another WhatsApp account for this thing. If you're using WhatsApp Lite, so you have to use another one because that is not being used, that is suitable for the bulk. So you have to use Meta Business API. So Meta Business API, you can use the same account here as well as in the third party account, which I explained in the beginning of the session, right? So let me show you how you can schedule nurturing, automatic nurturing basically. So basically, my mission is as a founder of Borg Desk ERP to automate complete process for the businesses. But at the same time, I need support from the business owners to apply these all things in their business. Otherwise, that is none of use for them. Right. So I can use two type of campaign. One time means let me show you how it is called one time. So I can see, for example, a quotation sent to lead. And after that, I can set here quotation send to lead. Quotation send to lead, yeah. So if I'm submitting this one, so what happened if you are setting or any of your salesperson is setting the status of leads in the follow-up log, which I showed you, right, to change the status. So this message automatically gets delivered in the prospect mobile number. For example, I have sent a quotation, so you need to confirm from the clients, right, that I have sent a quotation. So it doesn't happen here. You can send here from here. Automatically, it will be notified to client that quotation has been sent, right? So hi, sir. Thank you for giving opportunity. And as discussed in our previous call, we have sent the quotation across you for the kind for your kind consideration and reference. And please have a look and looking forward your acknowledgement as soon as possible. So this message will be sent automatically to the prospect. So this is a beauty of Borgdesk ERP and WhatsApp automation, right? So I can set like this only. Very simple. I can submit and it is sent, right? So this message will be sent automatically to the leads once this lead will be set to the uh, quotation set. Correct. After that, there is another kind of so you can set for all status in this way. So this is a, I mean, very powerful action if you're doing this. So this actually converts that employing the positive mindset, that prospect in the positive mindset, right? And it starts moving with you. So repeat means you can also configure any campaign to gets repeated automatically after a certain period. I'll show you how it can be done. For example, I can start like callback. So this is a template I want to send. This is a template name only, so don't get in the name of the template. So you can name those templates as per your record. So uh, here I'm setting this one is to which status I want to send. So for example, I want to send this campaign to all of them. So I can say second all of them. If you want to send only the people who are not who are listed with the not responding status. So it will this campaign or this message will be delivered to the only people who are labeled with status not responding. Here how many I mean days you want to get repeated. For example, I want 7 days to be repeated. So I can set here 7 and thereafter I can set the time, which time you want to send. For example, I want 3 p.m, right, to send this message after 7 day. Correct. So every 7 day it will be repeated. And end date means which, and it will keep sending every 7 days, but there is a time when I have to stop it. For example, I want to stop it on 31st August. So I want this campaign uh, to be run after every 7 days till 31st of August. So I can set this campaign. So this system will be automatically sent, correct, for this thing. So this is a lead, this is and we have actually uh, personally felt this one, and the same feeling has been acknowledged by our customers who are using uh, extensively Borg Desk ERP in their business. So the same thing has been converted and acknowledged to us, and this is adding huge value. So you can see this campaign will last for this one, and only four contacts are there. This also tell you only four contacts are there which are marked with not responding, and thereafter created it this one, and the trigger time is this one, and after 7 days. So this has a complete details, by the way, and you can schedule n number of contacts in this way, and once you are scheduling, it will happen happening automatically. So that's why actually when you are doing another productive work, and the Borg ERP is working behind the scene automatically for you to interact, to nurture with your prospect. So this is a basically power of WhatsApp automation, and same thing you can do for the email also. So I'll be covering in detail for this one email and other things, entire push module in the next session or in another session, right? So thank you so much. I hope this has been uh, very productive of today's session of 1 hour, and I believe you must have uh, received many new things from today's training. So we keep doing this training every Tuesday and Thursday. So thank you for being part of this training, and we'll open this session for one-to-one discussion. Until the time, basically, let me stop recording. Thank you so much. Thank you.